This tutorial provides an example of how to use the Sensatus Capital Reorganisation APIs to process a symbol change. This process changes the symbol used to identify a market. In this example, we will process the Vitec Group symbol change to Videndum on the 24th of May 2022. Using the Reorganisation Add API, set the Reorganisation Types ID to 37 for symbol change. Set the record and X dates to the 24th of May 2022. Set the new symbol field to Videndum. Add a description and leave the remaining fields at their default value. Use the returned reorganisation ID should you need to delete it. The Vitec Group holding has now been changed to Videndum.